Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have 6 purple kajals. Let's look at the shades. Number 1 is the blue, followed by the dark green, then we have the black, then we have bronze, then copper color, and finally we have the white color. So how the kajal is, it twist opens and the swatch of it, so it would look like it is the black color, but this is actually the dark green color. Right now that is white and it's quite nice. Then finally this is the black color, and now you will see the difference between the black and the green, right? So yep, then we have here is the bronze color, and then we have the copper one. Sorry, that was the copper one, and this is the bronze one, and definitely they need a little bit of layering up. They don't show up that easily, but the blue one is definitely very bright. So now let's do an eye look. I am putting the dark green color very close to my lash line. Now it would look like black, but it is dark green, and the pigment of it is really intense. As you can see, it does look really pitch green, right? But yeah, then we are winging it out with the blue color. I am trying to make like a wing, but definitely when we work with the kajal, the wing is not that easy and that precise, but we are gonna make work with it, right? Yep. So the wing was really nice on one eye. Now the wing for the other eye. Definitely it's a lot of effort to make the wing, especially with the kajal. It is a lot of effort, but yeah, we are working. Now the blue color obviously does not look like very blue, but yeah, it's workable. Now can you see how creamy it is? The kajal just broke. So this was the copper color, and we are just filling the gap between the inner corner and where the green was. So definitely it needs so much layering up that you have to just build it up and build it up and build it up, and even then the color wouldn't like show up that easily. It's like it reflects in a certain way, in a certain light. So now we're going to do a graphic eye, because I was extra experimental that day. So yup, that is how I did it. Right now, yep, on one eye, and just look how I'm going to screw it for the other one. Just have a look how it's going to get screwed in this eye. After successfully screwing it, I am actually going to take a smudging brush and I'm going to smudge this black color to make it look a little bit more cohesive. Otherwise it would look like I'm just drawing some lines using a kajal. So smudging actually makes it look more blended and even, and you will definitely notice how even it looks now as compared to how it was looking before. Now obviously this is my like not so successful option of my way of trying to put my shit together. So yep, so we are just doing it like a little bit of intensity, increasing action at the corner, right? So that it gets a little bolder at the corner. Yes, and again trying to kind of like wing it out in a certain way, right? So this is how the black is. Now because we have already screwed it, we are going to screw it even more, and I'm just just like matching the blue with the black. That is the thing we are doing over here, right? Because obviously this is already a screwed look, so it doesn't matter, we are doing it anyways. Then finally this is the white one, and was going to use all the 6 colors. I've already used the 4. Now we are going to use both of the remaining ones. Definitely white needs a little bit of layering up, but this white is a bright white. There is no doubt to the fact that it's really bright, and now I have started to look like an alien completing my alien look using the final bronze color. And definitely I'm going to layer it up for 1,000 times, because otherwise it wouldn't be visible at all. So yeah, just look at me layering it up for 1,000 more years for it to be visible enough. Yep. So let's have like a final call about these kajals. So definitely it's like a little bit smudgeable. Now some colors are better, some colors are not so better. Definitely I'm using the black one a lot and I absolutely love it. Not happy with the green one, right? The blue one is also not like a very intense blue, so it's like okay, fine, workable, but not like too good. Bronze and copper need so much layering up. So the only color that I would really recommend from this collection would be like the black color for your kajal purple, and also the white one, which is really intense and a nice color. But do you guys need all of the colors? Definitely no. So that's it for this video, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.